Shopify Impact Theme Customization Tutorial. Hello and welcome to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can customize Impact Theme on Shopify. So please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And to create an account on Shopify, you could also use my affiliate link below the description where I earn a small commission at no additional cost to you. And by using the link, you may also get some discount or rewards upon sign up. But before that, if you don't know what is Shopify, it is a leading e-commerce platform that enables businesses of all sizes to create and manage their online stores effectively. And Shopify provides a comprehensive suite of tools that streamline the process of selling products, both online and in person, making it accessible for entrepreneurs and established brands alike. And the platform also offers customizable templates, integrated payment processing, inventory management, and marketing tools, allowing users to build a professional online presence without needing extensive technical skills. And now to create an account, just click the link in the description, or you could also click the Start Free Trial button on the top right corner in here. And upon clicking on it, you will be directed on this page where you can sign up using your email address, using your Google account, Apple ID, or Facebook account in here. And after signing in here, you will now be able to be directed on this dashboard of Shopify. And on the left side panel, it will show you a variety of options to navigate with your home, orders, products, customers, content, analytics, and many more. But to proceed, just go to the left side panel and click this online store button. And as you can see under themes, it will show you in here the option of theme library that you can also navigate here. And if you scroll down, it will show you in here a variety of options to choose from that offer free themes. However, there is no impact theme in here, and to search for it, can click this basic theme store button and you will be directed on this page where you can simply search on the search bar. But firstly, we need to log in our account on Shopify in here again. So just simply log in your account, and after that, you'll now be able to be directed on this page where we can start searching on the search bar the impact theme. And to do that, click the search bar on the top panel and simply enter the word impact. And on the result below, click this one, and upon clicking on it, we will be directed on this page and it will show us the overview about this theme. And as you can see, it is not free, but it offers a free trial. And now to start customizing this theme, click this try theme button right here to start customizing it. But before that, you also need to remember that you need to pay $380 in order to publish the one that you customize using Impact Theme. And now after clicking the button, it will show you that it is now currently adding the Impact Theme trial to your online store themes. So you will be directed on this page on your online store themes, and below it will show you under this theme library the impact. So all you need to do is to wait for it to load and just proceed by clicking the customize button right here to start customizing this theme. In which from here, it will show you in the left side panel the editing tools that you can also navigate or the part of this website in here. We have here a homepage, different kind of header, newsletter, pop-up that we can also navigate to select images in here and many more. So let's say under this header group, we're going to click this announcement bar, and from here we can start customizing it, such as by adding a section in here or choosing to edit the header section that you prefer. And aside from that, you could also navigate on the left side panel the button to change the appearance or the design of this website. And to do that, kindly proceed by clicking this theme settings button. It will show us that we can click this appearance and spacing color to change the background by using or clicking here any kind of color palette that you prefer as a background, and also color the text, success, error, and many more. So you can basically customize any of this, the design and appearance of your website using the editing tools on the left side panel. Now under this appearance and spacing, from here you could also change the page width or to make the vertical space between section, medium, and many more. And even change the button size, the black corner radius, and many more. And if you scroll down right here, it will show us a variety of elements that we could also start customizing, including to make it blur, icon, and even the shadow of this text. Moving on the left side panel, we could also navigate these app embeds if you also want to install or integrate other kind of application in our website. So again, going back on this homepage section, from here we could also navigate this overlay group, template, and many more. Now starting to this announcement bar, by clicking this one, we could also enable this sticky bar by checking these boxes, even adjust the change messages every 6 seconds, and also scrolling speed, the background color in here that we could also choose from, and it will show you the changes on the right side panel in here. we could also change the scrolling speed in here and any other elements. Now moving on, aside from that, and also from here, if you want to hide the announcement bar, kindly click the eye icon in here, and it will show you the changes on the right side panel. And aside from that, from here we can even add different kind of sections such as under this header group and many more. And for instance, under this overlay group, by clicking this newsletter pop-up, it will show us that we could also adjust the delay until the pop-up appears, and even upload an images by clicking the select image in order to upload from our computer files. Or alternatively, if you also want to choose from pre-images in here, kindly click this one, and it will show us in here a variety of category to choose from and different kind of images in here. And upon clicking on images, just click the select button to proceed, and it will show you on the right side panel the result of adding the images. Moving on, aside from that, we can even add a subtext in here if you want to. Going back on this page again, you could also add a section, and under this template, you could even add the slideshow in here to customize or navigate by selecting the images again, or exploring the free images that is offered for free in here. So just do the same process of selecting the images and click the select to proceed, and it will show you on the right side panel the result of uploading or adding images in here. Moving on, you could also adjust the context that you prefer, the overlay opacity, the background color, and many more. Now moving on, going back on this page again, you can even add a block that you can put the link on it. Well, aside from that, below, if you could also scroll down and click this plus button, it will show you an option to upload a video by clicking this video option right here. You can simply select a video from your computer files in here, or simply upload a video in here. But aside from that, going back on this page, you can even upload a mobile video for the mobile style of this website, and even add a subheading, heading title, change the background text, color, button, and many more. So basically, as you can see on the left side panel, there's a variety of options that we could also navigate to adjust or customize in here, including the press, multiple images with text, the FAQ, variant separators, the price, title, badges, and many more, and even some of the products it contains on this website. And as you can see under this link block, we could also adjust to add the link URL for the specific kind of product, upload images in here, link text, and many more. And you could also start browsing on the right side panel the result, such as by clicking on the top left corner these three lines and click, for example, this catalog. Upon clicking on it, you'll automatically be directed on the catalog section that we could also start customizing in here, such as to add a section of block and many more, and even media files in here. So that is just basically how easy you can start navigating the editing tools on the left side panel and start customizing this template or theme website. And if you're now done editing it or customizing this theme impact in order to publish it, all you need to do is simply subscribe or purchase it amounting to this price of $380 US. But overall, that is just basically how you can customize impact theme on Shopify. Thank you.